Bitcoin price prediction in 2024, boom or bust. Since its inception in 2009, Bitcoin, the world's oldest cryptocurrency, has attracted the attention of fans, investors, scammers, and more recently, regulators. For many of its acolytes, Bitcoin is not just a new form of currency but a groundbreaking technology that introduced the world to the concept of decentralized currencies and established the bedrock for an entirely new type of economy, the cryptocurrency market. For others, it was a way to make a quick buck. And while some of these early investors did manage to join the coterie of Bitcoin millionaires, many more lost hundreds or even thousands of dollars trying to predict its price movements.
Happy Thanksgiving. Where's the price of Bitcoin going to go in this next bull run? Some say that sometime in 2024 or 2025, BTC may hit $1 million. While it's quite the distance for the price of travel to get there, it is possible, but how likely is it? And what is the most likely price for Bitcoin to hit in the next bull run? As always, I got those answers. If you'll be an informed crypto investor with an edge, stick around until the very end of this video where I reveal my official 2024-2025 bull run Bitcoin price prediction. Welcome to Ben Armstrong Crypto, the home of Ben Armstrong Crypto and you. Today, we're going to begin a series that is what I was known for in the last bull run, my price prediction videos. These videos not only give the audience a lot of hopium and information on my opinions, but also I'm once again sticking my neck out like a turkey on the line and giving you guys markers to grade me on. In the last bull run, I believe 225K was possible, but it didn't even hit $100,000. However, coins like Solana, BNB, Dogecoin, and many others absolutely ripped past my price predictions. Many did not, of course. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and these are only my opinions, the opinions of someone who, next month, will now have been into crypto for 11 years. But keep in mind, my opinion is what will drive my investment strategy over the next 2 years. Just don't blame me if these numbers do not happen. Before you're prepared to watch this video, though, you need to watch both our Bitcoin explainer video and my Bitcoin ranking video to show you what Bitcoin is about and where I believe it ranks among other coins as an investment opportunity for this bull run. We'll pop a link up on the screen for both videos so you can check them out before or after you watch this video. Additionally, you obviously need to be a subscriber to this channel so you never miss these price prediction videos. They're great chances to make fun of me. So let's get started. First, we need to go over the price history of Bitcoin. The first price ever for Bitcoin is approximately 4 BTC per penny. But obviously that was before we even had prices or charts or peer-to-peer transactions for Bitcoin. Since the history of the Bitcoin price is so long, and we already covered it pretty thoroughly in the explainer video, we just need to talk about how the Bitcoin price can be determined by the price history. And the truth is that is pretty scary. In the first bull cycle, BTC 37x'd from its previous all-time high. In the next one, the price 17x'd. That's a drop of 54% in terms of gains over gains market to market. The last market saw a 3.5x for Bitcoin to 70K for the previous high of $20,000. From 17x to 3.5x is actually almost an 80% decrease. So in the next market, if these diminishing returns continue, and let's say the number jumps from an 80% decrease to even a 5% increase to 85%. This means Bitcoin won't even do half an X. 0.5x from 70K, this would put Bitcoin right at $100,000, certainly not a higher number. And an argument can be made if diminishing returns are not reversed that Bitcoin may not even top 80K this cycle.
Now, hold on here, guys. If the Bitcoin price were to go up tremendously, you need to think about this. This year, one way you're going to be able to accumulate Bitcoin is to not go on a vacation. Next year, when the price is way up, you can go on a vacation. This year is about accumulation, okay? But the question is, what do you get when you take the Asian away from staycation? You get Stake, our sponsor, the sponsor of the Ben Armstrong YouTube channel. It's over here somewhere, Ben Armstrong Crypto. Stake is everywhere. That's why it doesn't matter where I point, because Stake is all around us at all times. And if you enjoy playing games and you like having fun and you love crypto, not just Bitcoin, but crypto, there's no bigger supporter than Stake. So you guys make sure we got a QR code on the screen and also one down in the description. Make sure to go stake your claim and get a real vacation.
There are some crazy price predictions for Bitcoin though, including Anthony Scaramucci and Arthur Hayes, formerly of BitMEX, both predicting 750K. Now I'll be honest, if they're saying that much and it were to happen, certainly $1 million per BTC could be on the table, but it's probably going to be a lot longer. Probably not in this market. But let's take a look at Coinpedia. This is their price predictions for Bitcoin throughout this bull run. And you can see they're predicting the top of Bitcoin in this bull run to be around $110,000 in 2025. Definitely under what I believe will happen, but 110K BTC, nothing to be mad about. So what will the price of Bitcoin be at the end of this bull run? Which, by the way, I believe will be sometime around the summer, if not the spring of 2025. Well, let's start with the bearish case here. The Bitcoin ETF is a total flop. Ethereum passes Bitcoin in market cap as BTC struggles. The traditional markets collapse, and people don't see Bitcoin as a safe haven. Guys, I don't see any way possible that Bitcoin doesn't at least hit 80K even in that scenario. That would be a 0.2x. But this is probably a safe price point you should consider taking profits at. Now, what about the bull case? Bitcoin ETF goes parabolic. Regulation starts favoring crypto instead of hindering it. Gary Gensler gets removed and maybe even grows hair. Trump wins and goes all in on Bitcoin or Ramaswamy or whoever. Quantitative easing or QE. The money printing. It returns and printer goes again. Rates are reversed, etc., etc., etc. This means we got the reversal of diminishing returns and Bitcoin absolutely booms, pelting faces up. The highest price I could imagine Bitcoin getting to in the cycle is $525,000. But to be clear, this is a bullish scenario where everything goes right. This is not my personal price prediction. Before I give you guys my prediction, let me throw it to my partner in crime. But no, actually, he left the criminal organization to come here. So just my partner, AJ, the man who took the place of TJ in my life. So here's AJ to drop some BTC price alpha.
Hey, what's up everyone? AJ Writes Crypto here, and here is a quick overview of my Bitcoin price prediction. So when I publicly did my Bitcoin price prediction a little while back, I said about $120,000 to $140,000. Understand with Bitcoin's price prediction is that 93% of all Bitcoin are already in circulation. So it's really only about getting that last 7% into the end, which is going to take like a very long time to happen. The truth is that the supply is only going to grow like a little less than 2% between right now and the projected all-time high of November of 2025. So the supply plays little factor in this, but it's still worth noting. Really, although I said 120 to 140, 100K is my minimum call for Bitcoin with the heightened supply would require a $2 trillion market cap. If you take dominance into effect, understand that at Bitcoin's all-time high on November 8th, 2021, Bitcoin's dominance was roughly 43%. Ben and I have both said that we're looking at the total market cap for all of crypto to be between $7 to $10 trillion by the top of the next bull run. And if this plays out for Bitcoin and it regains that same dominance level with the heightened total supply, we're looking between $151,000 to a $174,000 Bitcoin, which would be like the upper echelon of my bullish narrative. So for my very low minimum Bitcoin price for the top of the next bull market, I'm saying $100,000. My actual range is like 120 to 140, with my bullish narrative being 175 if the dominance plays out like it did last time, but that's kind of hard to count on, but it is good to use sort of as like a measuring stick to kind of sort of like a guideline, you know what I mean? So with all that being said, there's my overview of a Bitcoin price prediction. My name's AJ Writes Crypto. Make sure you smash that like button. Have yourself a great Thanksgiving weekend. Later.
Thanks, AJ, for giving us your price prediction. While we don't know if it will be correct or not, we definitely know it's not as good as my price prediction because I've been in crypto so much longer than you, AJ. But if you haven't done so, guys, already, make sure to head on over to the AJ Writes Crypto YouTube channel to subscribe and see me make special guest appearances frequently every Tuesday and Thursday at least. So here we go. The moment you've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. My official Bitcoin price prediction for the 2024 bull run is $175,000. I fought with myself over whether I should make it an exact number like you would if you were trying to lie on your taxes about expenses. Looking at you, small business owner. But at the end of the day, I felt for a while that the proper range to expect is 125K to 175K. And there's been a lot lately that make me feel like we're gonna hit the upper end of that range. If not, go above it. So there you have it. My 2024 bull run price prediction for Bitcoin, $175,000. Is it too high? Is it too low? Drop your comments down below. Hit that like button on the way out if you like price prediction videos, because hey, you know you want to smash. Be blessed.